This cancer center really helps people deal with the emotional side of cancer, and we're also very focused on patient care as well. It begins with the initial phone call when people get referred here. We have a patient concierge service. From your very first phone call and throughout your treatment, they are there to help you. They can handle any details, schedule your appointments, obtain your medical records, your pre-authorizations for your insurance, so that when you come here, you can just arrive for your appointment and you're all set. We have radiation oncology, we have chemotherapy, we have a dietitian, social work, patient resource library. You can get your blood work here, you can see your doctor here, you can get testing done, your PET scan, and it's all done here in one building. And because we only do cancer, we have a highly specialized team to take care of you. We have doctors, nurses, technicians, and therapists. So no matter who you run into here, they're going to understand what you're going through, and they're going to provide you with the highest quality of care.